We learned that alkanes belong to the saturated hydrocarbons where the carbon and hydrogen atoms are linked to one another by single covalent bonds having the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where if you substitute N is equal to 1 in this general formula, we will get the first member of alkane, that is CH4, methane. If you substitute N is equal to 2, you will get C2H6, that is ethane. Likewise, on substituting N is equal to 3, 4, 5, the corresponding alkanes can be obtained. But have you wondered what is going to happen if you remove one hydrogen atom from any of these alkanes? Well, if a hydrogen atom is removed from any of the alkanes, it gets converted to the alkyl group. Considering an example of methane here, as you see in this methane, this carbon atom is linked to 4 different hydrogen atoms. So on removal of one hydrogen atom from this methane, this place gets vacant. So as this place gets vacant, it may go and link to any other group or any atom of the other elements. But whenever there is a removal of hydrogen atom from an alkane group, it is converted to this alkyl group. As you see, the general formula of alkane, that is CnH2n plus 2. So on removal of one hydrogen atom, now the general formula of this alkyl group has become CnH2n plus 1. You can also observe another thing, that the suffix A and E is replaced by the suffix YL. That earlier it was methane. So after removal of one hydrogen atom, it has become the methyl group. So now you came to a conclusion that whenever one hydrogen atom is removed from any of the alkanes, we get the corresponding alkyl groups. Coming here to this alkyl, whose general formula just we learned, that is CnH2n plus 1. If you substitute N is equal to 1, you will get the first member of alkyl group, that is methyl. Likewise, if you substitute N is equal to 2, 3, 4, the corresponding members of alkyl groups can be obtained by using this general formula. So now, here goes a progress check for you. What is the formula of butyl group? As in this question, it has asked regarding the butyl. So the word butyl initiates with but. It means it represents to the 4 carbon atoms, and the suffix we are having YL. So the question here is asking us about what is the formula of alkyl group having 4 carbon atoms, that is butyl group. So as we know, the general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. So if you substitute N is equal to 4, we'll be getting the formula of the butyl group as C4H9. Now, coming to this alkenes and alkynes, we know that these can be identified by the presence of double and triple bonds respectively. So, in any organic compounds, this presence of double and triple bonds, they give some distinct functions and properties to these organic compounds, and hence the double and triple bonds are also called the functional groups, as they provide the peculiar characteristics to these individual compounds. Likewise, if you sometimes observe the presence of a OH group in any compound, so this presence of OH group in any organic compound, so such an organic compound is called alcohol, whose general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Here OH is the functional group. So whenever you are noticing the presence of CHO group, then that is an aldehyde. So such type of organic compounds are called aldehyde, whose general formula is CnH2n plus 1 CHO. If you notice the presence of C double bond O group, so such type of organic compounds are called ketones, whose general formula is RC double bond O R-. Similarly, when you notice in any organic compound the presence of COOH group. So the presence of COOH group is there in any organic compound. So such an organic compounds are called carboxylic acids, whose general formula is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So now here goes a summary of those organic compounds. So if a functional group OH is being found in any organic compound, so such type of organic compounds are called alcohol. So the presence of CHO group tells you that it is an aldehyde. C double bond O group is present, then it is ketone. And if you are noticing the presence of COOH in any organic compound, so such type of compounds are called carboxylic acids. So now here goes a progress check for you. Identify the functional group and name the functional group present in this compound. So you noticed where is the functional group present? Here it is. The OH is the functional group present in this compound, and the name of this functional group is alcohol. So if you learned something new today, so quickly give the video a like and share it with any of your friends, because that really motivates us. And for any queries, kindly visit us at vikaslearning.in and reach out to us at training.hsr@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp to us at the number 86181 54620. Thank you.